Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be giving you a tour of my room. If you're new to my channel, this summer I made a cross-country move from Colorado to Washington, and when I made that move I had to really redo my room. I had a completely different space to work with, and I had to really squeeze to get my filming studio and my bedroom stuff to like fit in the same room. And I redid all the decor, and it was requested when I first moved to do a tour once it was done, and I'm pretty much done at this point. I only have one more painting that I want to hang up. I just have to paint it. I haven't painted it yet, so I decided why not go ahead and do it since it's already September. And I will be showing you a before of what the empty room looked like, what kind of space I was working with, as well as after, walking you through the room and going over like my decor choices and all of that. So let's just get started. So this is my room. Let's start with the back of the door. This I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I love storms, I love rain, I love clouds, so I thought it was perfect. And it's just hung on there with a command strip. And then we have my portrait of Apis done by Kristen. Down here is my dog's toy bin and also his like clothes and collars and a travel kennel and stuff for him. And then this is a shelf I got off of Amazon, and it was really easy to build, really easy to move with, and it just holds all sorts of things. I decorate it with little bits and bobs. Like this is from Sugar Pill. It has all my sunglasses in it. And these are mussel shells from the Okanagan River, and this is a little succulent garden that I built from stuff from Hobby Lobby. And then I painted this little, what are these called? Piggy banks. So it just has a lot of little personal touches. This is my little princess corner, and then we have my empties, my declutter, and then movies and miscellaneous stuff. And then over here we have my beta. His name is Teal, and he is very handsome, and he's being so nice to hold still to be on camera today. Down here I put a rug that I found at Walmart for super cheap because this little guy does not like hard floors. So while I'm at work, he has this rug to hang out on. He has this little dog bed that I got at Home Goods that is like a throne. And then he has his food and water over there. So he has a nice little setup while I'm at work. Plus a lot of the time I let him hang out on my bed while I'm at work. Next to that shelving unit we have my TV entertainment center. I hang all of my sun hats on the wall above the TV, and then over here we have the TV. I'm watching the Pelican Brief. Sumi, I love it. So Sumi. And these are from Party Light. They're a metallic tea light trio holder. I'm a big fan of Party Light. I used to sell for them and I still really like the products. And this marble tray I got from Walmart. It was pretty affordable, and it's actually like really sturdy, really good quality. This is a warmer I got from Walmart. It is by, I think, Home and Gardens, and it works really, really well. And then behind that I have a vase from Walmart with a bouquet I caught at a wedding and some essential oils to add to the wax when I want to like add a little zest to my wax. Then over here is my closet. My bed takes up pretty much the whole space. So I have this little floor space next to my closet where I keep my shoes and boots and all of that. And then I hang everything up there and have a little bit of storage space above the closet. That is from Home Goods. It is super adorable. I definitely recommend shopping at Home Goods. These curtains were already here when I moved in. I have no idea where they're from. That picture holder is also from Home Goods, and those shelves are from Hobby Lobby. I painted the front cloud gray. They were completely white, but I wanted to add some dimension, so I painted the front cloud gray. I want to show you these floating shelves a little better because I'm really proud of how they look with the decor. So I got those cactuses and succulents on clearance from Michael's for $3 a piece. And then I stuck a little stuffed animal on there and a picture on there for each of the shelves. And I really love how it turned out. I think it's whimsical and sweet and slightly grown up. I really like it. Below the shelves, next to the bed, we have one of my IKEA Alex drawers that I also use as a nightstand, and on that it does have a couple succulents that I got from Walmart, and that little crocheted cupcake is from my mom. My mom made it. And then this storm glass in the shape of a cloud is from Amazon, and this really cool lamp is from Hobby Lobby. On my bed I have an assortment of pillows that came with the bedspread that is from Macy's, that I got from like Home Goods, American Furniture Warehouse, Walmart, King Soopers. That dinosaur squishmallow is from King Soopers. And then I have this nice wooden hamper from Amazon that my sister got me for Christmas. And this is a jewelry holder that has a ton of pictures in it. So oh, come on. It holds mostly my rings and necklaces. Then over here we have my dresser. I have the little light up Noelle sign because Noelle is my middle name. And then we have my earring holder and my bracelet holder with my tiaras at the bottom, and I have a little owl candle warmer. And then I have Miss Lucy here, who I do makeup looks on when my face is not feeling it and I need to practice looks. And this dresser is from American Furniture Warehouse in Colorado. I had to buy it after I broke up with my fiance because I didn't have a dresser. The furniture was his. Then we come into my studio area. So I have two ring lights from Amazon. One of them is actually my sister's. She's letting me borrow it. So it's made a huge difference in my videos to have two ring lights and also have windows for natural daylight. And then I have this table and stools that I got from Amazon, and I really love it. And don't mind the messy table. I was filming all day today. And then over behind that we have my vanity. Hello! Next to the vanity I have these set of drawers that I get comments on. Those are from Home Goods, and I keep just in the bottom like lashes and glitter and pencils, and then in the top all my newly purchased makeup for my monthly hauls. And then some decor. This piece I really want to show you. It was a goodbye present. Everybody wrote on it and signed it at my goodbye dinner, and it is so special to me. That's why I display it, because it really means so much to me. And then we have my nail polish rack from Amazon. It's so handy. I love that even though I have a crap ton of nail polish, I still have plenty of room up here to add more. And then in front of the vanity, I just have brushes and lotions and all sorts of stuff like that. My little Beanie Baby dragons, I love them. And then we have my skincare fridge, which was a Christmas present and is also from Amazon. It's, oh, I shoved too many masks in there. It's really cool to be able to keep your skincare products chilled, especially your sheet masks. It's really refreshing. And then we have some more pumpkins from Walmart, 98 cents. And this palette holder that looks really empty right now, but again, I was filming, I took stuff out. It was from Home Goods. I'm not sure if you can find it anymore because I've had it for quite a while. And these are just my marble brushes that I keep to display. And then in front I have my wine glass, which I painted full of eyeliners, my mini martini glass I painted with my sponge, a little Noel sign, this bad boy that I got on clearance from Joann's. It's super cool for like Halloween fall time, on top of another Alex drawer. And that is my entire room. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that gave you some small space or decor inspiration. And if you have any hacks on how to make things fit better, definitely leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!